Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Nissan Altima, the clean title. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay, and any of the LEDs, they don't flicker the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. See that it does have alloy wheels. Dual exhaust. Actually has a lot of space in that trunk. And this particular one is all-wheel drive. It handles very, very well. It's a combination of leather and fabric seats. See that it does have two USB ports at the back. Go ahead and show you the VIN right here. Okay. And I will upload some still photos as well, as I know we go through this fairly quickly. Alright, you'll see that you do have paddle shifters. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 28,316 miles on this vehicle. And you got your stereo controls, and your trip computer toggles, and then your cruise controls, and your ignition is down here. Here is your key fob, and then you see that it does have a remote start button. Shifter, cup holders, and additional stowage down there. And you got your comfort controls, two USB ports, a USB 1, a USB 2, and then, or excuse me, a USB 2 and 3, and then an auxiliary port. Come up here, and here's your stereo, which your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM. Then you have your USBs, your Bluetooth, and auxiliary. Also Apple Carplay and Auto are available once you turn your phone on. So, and once you get it connected. You're gonna see the backup camera. All right, there's our backup camera. And then as we come up here, you've got your glasses holder and your map reading lights. That about wraps it up for this Nissan on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.